Once welcome back to MME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take some questions from limit chapter for class 11th, CBSE board and other boards. And all question solved will be factorization method. The first question is that limit of function x cube plus x square minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 as x tends to minus 1. If put x equal to minus 1, therefore there will be 0 and numerator also will be 0, therefore it will be 0 by 0 form, therefore limit does not exist. In case of, we can find the factor of numerator and after that find the limit of that functions. Therefore, take limit x tends to minus 1. Take common x cube plus x square will be x square and x plus 1. Here minus x minus 1 will be x plus 1 and will be x plus 1. Again take common x plus 1 in both terms. There will be limit x tends to minus 1 x plus 1 and second will be x square minus 1 by x plus 1. X plus 1 and x plus 1 will be cancelled. Therefore find the limit x tends to minus 1 of x square minus 1. If put x equal to minus 1 here, there will be 1. Therefore direct the limit, put the value minus 1 square minus 1, there will be 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore limit of this function will be 0. Next question is that find the limit of x cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 4 as x tends to 2. Check here, if x equal to 2, keep here, therefore 2 square 4 minus 4 0 and here put 2, there will be 8 and 16 and 8, therefore plus 16 minus 16 will be 0, therefore it will be 0 by 0 form. Therefore limit of that function on putting the value 2 does not exist. Therefore first we factorize this and after that we can find the limit of that functions. Therefore take limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4x square plus 4x, take common from 3 terms x, there will be x square minus 4x plus 4 and there will be x square minus 4. After that limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4x plus 4, divide into two parts and that will be x into x minus 2 whole square. It is the form of a minus b whole square form and there will be x plus 2 x minus 2 because this is the form of a square minus b square. In place of b will be 2. Therefore limit x tends to 2 x minus 2 into x minus 2, 1 is cancelled, therefore numerator will be x into x minus 2 and upon x plus 2. If put the value x equal to 2, it will be 4 and there will be 2 into 0, therefore there will be 2 into 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 2, it will be 2 into 0 by 4 equal to 0. This is the limit of this function. After that we take next question. Next question is that find the limit of x minus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 5 as x tends to 1. If that limit in numerator there will be 0 and put here also 2 minus 7 plus 5, 7 minus 7 0, therefore it will be 0 by 0 form, and in this form limit does not exist. Therefore we can find the limit of that function, use the another method. Therefore we observe that if factorize the denominator can find the limit of that functions, therefore we write limit x tends to 1 at x minus 1 upon, there will be 5 to the 10 and 10 x square divided into 2x into 5x, therefore we can write as 2x square minus 2x minus 5x plus 5. 5 to the 10 plus 10 and there will be minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x, therefore limit x tends to 1, numerator is x minus 1 and take common from here and here, we get 2x x minus 1 and there will be minus 5, it will be x minus 1 also. After that limit x tends to 1, there will be x minus 1 upon, there will be x minus 1 and 2x minus 5. This and this are same, therefore will be cancelled, and after that we take limit as x tends to 1 upon 2x minus 5. Put the value x equal to 1 here, we get 1 upon 2 into 1 minus 5, there will be 1 upon 2 minus 5, it will be minus 1 upon 3. Why put the value x equal to 1 here? Because if put x equal to 1 here, this cannot be 0, because to find the limit of the any functions, denominator cannot be 0 on putting the value of variables. Therefore here putting x equal to 1, denominator cannot be 0, therefore we can find the limit and directly put the value of x. Hence we find the value minus 1 upon 3 of that function. Therefore minus 1 upon 3 is the limit of that function. Last one question is that find the limit of x cube plus 8 upon x plus 2 as x tends to minus 2. Check here, if put x equal to minus 2, denominator be 0 and this is also 0, therefore it will be 0 by 0 form, and in this condition limit does not exist, therefore we cannot apply this method, and after simplify we can find the value of this. Therefore this question can be solved use of two methods. First method will be factorization method and second method will be formula form. Therefore I will take here both the method. First will be factorization form. Therefore take limit x tends to minus 2 x cube, there will be x cube plus 2 cube upon x plus 2 and use here formula in numerator x cube a cube plus b cube, because this is the form of a cube plus b cube. After that there will be x tends to minus 2 x plus 2 and the second bracket x square plus 4 minus 2x and there will be denominator x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 will be cancelled. Limit x tends to minus 2. There will be x square plus 4 minus 2x. If x equal to minus 2, put here, there will be 4 and there will be 4 and 4. Therefore, we can find the limit of this function will be 12. Therefore, can put direct the value of x equal to minus 2 here and you can find the limit of this function. Therefore, there will be minus 2 square plus 4 minus 2 into minus 2, and this there will be minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 4, and minus 2 multiply will be plus 4, get 12. Therefore, 12 is the limit of that functions. Second method is that if x equal to minus 2, put here, there will be 0 and there will be also 0, means numerator and denominator will be 0. Therefore, limit does not exist. It is the form of 0 by 0. This change into formula form, and formula is that x limit of x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a next tends to a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. Means we can write limit x tends to a of x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. This is the formula to find the limit of such types of functions. And after changing this form, you can find the value of this. There will be limit x tends to minus 2 x cube minus 2 cube, and it will be x minus 2. Compare this formula, this both numerator and denominator will be minus and minus. Minus 2 multiplied by this will be x plus 2, and minus 2 cube simplify will be minus 8, and minus plus 8. Therefore, this change into this form, therefore apply, and there will be n means 3 into a means minus 2 raised to 3 minus 1. There will be 3 into minus 2 square, and there will be 3 into 4, 12, which is same answer gives. This question can be solved by the both formula, by the factorization method and by the formula for. Thus today's topic finish. After that I will take continue solution of some questions from limit chapter, and after that we will continue take differentiation for class 11, and after that I will take continue differentiation means derivative to the student of class 11. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and keep watching continue to get more and more videos. Thank you for watching.